Good afternoon, Ventures. Here again, somewhere in Mexico. I'll show you guys a little bit of this old, new, under infrastructure town of Ticuitaco. I'll show you guys, there's some sort of old dam. According to people around here, it was made by I think it was Aztecs or something like that. But I'll show you guys the ingenuity that they had while building this dam. For some reason, it takes me back, well, I guess back in the days from the 1800s, I think. You can see there's adobe structures right here, still in place. This rocky fencing, it was a normal design back in the days. But anyways, as you guys can see on this side too, look at all these fence made of rock. Pretty sure it was a lot of labor to get all this stuff built. I'm pretty sure they didn't have heavy equipment to work with. I'll show you guys around a little bit more. So here we are, Ventures. We're gonna go down this path right here, and it's pretty steep right here. I don't think the camera can actually identify how steep this thing is. Pretty nice. I hear from locals that there's a lot of rattlesnakes around here. I'm trying to kind of be cautious about it. Right here, take a little jump right here, see if I can make it. There it is. And I guess there's some cattle on that side over there. Here, maybe take another jump right here, see what happens. Yep. So far, so good. Yep. Yep. Comes down here. Houses on top over there. Yeah. Pretty awesome. Yep. Maybe another jump and see what happens. Gonna try to kind of. Yep. Made it safe so far. Coming down here, I'm gonna go through here, see if I don't step on a rattlesnake or something. Here, man, there I am breathing hard again. Look at all this cattle right here. Awesome. So this is the dam right here. Part of the dam. Somehow, I think I'm in the 1800s or so. All right, I'm gonna try to cross this little creek through here. Right here. Here. Another view. Yep. There it is. Okay. So, buenas tardes. Vamos a agarrar un refresco o algo. Ay. Aquí está. ¿Cómo está, caballero? ¿Sí me puede dar, me vende por favor un agua? Un agua fría, ajá.
¿Chica o grande?
Ah, grande. Por favor, ajá. Que esté fría, grande. Y ándele esa, ajá.
Sí.
Y tiene jugo, como un jugo frío. ¿Jugo frío?
Sí.
A ver. Okay, Ventures. Showing you guys a little bit of this old dam that it's in this town called Ticuitaco. In that, I don't know the history of it, but I do know from some local storytellers that I guess it was built by Mayans back in the days. They used this dam as to grind grain, and somehow they were using the way that the water flows. It'll turn and then it'll grind this product, corn or whatever they had, and it'll grind it, and the water will help this rock turn, and with the inertia of it, it will do the labor work. I'll throw the drone up, hopefully to get a better view of what we got, and show you guys a little bit. I guess this is a little jewel of history of this little town called Ticuitaco. Show you guys a little bit more. I don't know, I think it's like 30 feet down, 30 to 25 feet down, way over there. I don't think the camera justifies, but yeah, awesome. See if I can throw the drone and we get a little bit more footage. So basically, according to storytellers, the water came through here, and there's there's some sort of opening gate right here. It opens and closes, and they'll give the amount of volume of water flowing through here. And somehow there was some other mechanism over here, but I guess people came over and they removed some of the stuff for their own history treasures. Let me see if I can climb down here and check what we got. Made it here so far. Again, through that channel, water came in and gave life to this mechanism right here. Came through here, and then a channel inside and provide something on this side. Came through here, in there. Came also through here. And, came down and then channeled down through there, right here, and it went all the way in. And, yeah, here, came through here, and apparently came in here. We just have to watch for rattlesnakes or something like that. So basically came here, here. So basically something like this. Yep. They had different exit points there. Okay. Trying to go back now. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. If you guys look closely right here, basically it was done something like that. Yep. So this is the other side. I guess some water flowed. They had it almost looked like they had like a giant wheel, and this wheel will start grinding grain. That was the whole idea. I think those were the supports where this giant rocky wheel spun, driven by water, and basically that's how it worked, by this giant wheel spinning and grinding all that grain. Yep. But basically, yeah, this is what it was. I guess there's another reservoir, water reservoir right here. Somehow I'm thinking maybe they deposit the grain in here and then it went straight down. And then most likely this area is where all the labor, men and women, they were doing their part. So basically this is it. Hope you guys like and subscribe. That'd be awesome for me to continue doing this type of work.